Hello, my name's Dakota Durst. I'm going to show you an earth-friendly way to make an indoor garden. So this is my garden. I have many variety of plants. So this is onions. This is basil. This is some lettuce. It's growing pretty big. This is potatoes. And then these are some tomatoes. So, I like to garden. It's fun, and it's a good hobby. It takes a while though. So, some plants grow in the winter. So, like, as in watermelons. Watermelons grow in the winter. I'm sorry, summer, not winter. So if it's in the winter, you can plant them inside. So I'm gonna show you how to do that. So we're inside now. So first you take a carton, such as an old egg carton, because it's biodegradable, which means that it'll turn into soil after a long time. So plants can be vulnerable. So, because sometimes sometimes they need they don't get enough sun, bug can eat them, and if they're inside, bugs can eat them, and then you can get enough sun or water. So first, so after you get in your container, you take an old egg, such as this one, and then you take some soil. So you take the egg and then you take some soil. So you put that in there. And then you take your desired seed. So I'm going to use watermelons. So you take your watermelon seeds. So for watermelons, you only use one seed. So take one seed. So to make sure, first then you push it in a little bit because you want the soil, and then you put a little bit more soil in to cover up the thing, watermelon or plant. Okay. Then you take some water. So I have some water in here. So you don't want too much water, because then this thing. But the point of the egg shell is to make sure that the water doesn't sink through the cardboard, and then it would ruin the container. So you'd have the egg, so you take a little bit of water, kind of small dab of it up, on the top cap. So you put that in there. Don't use too much, because I don't want it to break. So then you do that. So you have your plant, and then you cut it out as I've already done before. So you have your plant, and then after a couple of weeks, you'll start seeing a small plant. And then you plant that plant into the ground, and then that is how you make an indoor garden out of recyclable materials.